Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Envy. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your HP Envy won't hold a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that often arises due to battery wear over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to decreased performance and ultimately render your device unusable. Fortunately, it's a repairable problem, and today we'll guide you through the steps to replace your battery. For this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new replacement battery specifically designed for the HP Envy. Make sure you have these handy before we begin. First, ensure your HP Envy is powered off and unplugged. It's essential to work safely, so remove any external devices. Next, carefully flip the laptop over to access the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery located in the center. It's typically held down by a few screws which you'll need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to apply gentle force, over-tightening can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be gentle. Now, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and align it in the same spot, making sure it fits snugly. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. Once that's done, replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Before sealing up your HP Envy, it's a good idea to double-check everything is connected properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back panel back on the laptop and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, flip your device over, plug it in, and power it on to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery, avoid extreme temperatures, and try not to leave your laptop plugged in all the time. Proper care can significantly extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.